Welcome to my Fix-It shop. This is a new sign I put up, and I had a special request for building a coil tester. And this is what you will build, and I will show how to do that in just a moment. Okay, so I cleaned off my workbench. Now I just have the coil box, a couple pieces of wire, a wrench to adjust the nuts on the back of this coil box, and a small screwdriver that you can use to loosen and tighten the wires in there. And then I'll just need a short piece of baling wire, which I'm going to cut off right now. And that's all we're going to need. Now in literally less than 5 minutes, I have this wired up. Basically what I did was I got that piece of baling wire, made a loop on it, put it on the hot terminal for the spark, made myself a gap here, and then I ran a wire. I didn't even put a crimp end on it, which obviously could, and ran another wire here. Those wires go down here to the board. I don't think it matters too much, but the plus is the one on the left, the green wire on the left, and then the other green wire is the one that's going up to the part that would normally go to the ground off of the timer. I have had issues where in metal boxes I've needed to tie the box to ground to deal with noise that's picked up. I won't do that right now. Let me go ahead and hook the power on. And then I have a very special coil that I think is really neat in the sense that the coil, someone has taken all the tar out of it and left everything inside. This is a original Ford coil with the original Ford capacitor, and the points I just lightly cleaned them, and we'll see if it works. Now I right away noticed that, wow, this box is a little loose. I have a stick that I made so I can just hold the coil in there. That should be sufficient. Now I'm going to push the top button and get a single spark. Now if I push the bottom button, I can go to the second test. That is testing continuous spark. And then there's a bar graph test, and this you're looking, and you can adjust this potentiometer with a little screwdriver, this little blue square. And let's see what we have next. A multi-fire test. This just gives you the averages information. By the way, there's a sticker on top of this display, so it would look better if I took that off. Capacitor test. Well, I'm going to have to open the points here, but I have it. It says it's shorted. Open the points, and it's saying that the capacitor, the original capacitors, are 1.4 microfarad. And see if I can. Okay, now there's a test for graphing with the capacitor. Again, I have to hold the points open, and this will actually graph and show that and give information. So it's obviously not the updated capacitor, but evidently the original Ford capacitor is working fine. And just once more, I'll do a single fire test. You can see it spark up there. This is just a 12 volt battery. You can use any 12 volt battery. I've used other little power supplies. That's it.